Hello and welcome to Syllabus classes. My name is Ashmita and in today's class we are going to talk about the SLAT entrance examination. The dates have been revised, the registration is open. So let us start discussing about this entrance examination that is going to be held soon. Symbiosis International University, that is the SIU, has again revised the exam slots, like the dates, the exam pattern and all of those. The SLAT examination will now be held on the 3rd of July. The timings has also been given, that is from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. That is 1 hour. Instead of 26 June 2022, it will now be held on the 3rd of July. The application form of SLAT 2022 has also been extended till 15th of June. Candidates who are eligible can register for the SLAT entrance examination through online mode, and the examination will be conducted through online computer-based test mode in 80 exam centers. Now this Symbiosis entrance test, that is the SET for law, will consist of 60 objective type questions. Now from where will these objective type questions come from? They will be basically from the current affairs section, the general knowledge section, the legal aptitude sections, and other topics are also there. So this SLAT result would also be announced quickly after the examination gets over. That is, the tentative date is out. It would be on the 12th of July. The results will be out. Before moving over to the other important discussion, people who are going to give this entrance examination, you need to know a lot about this entrance examination, without which it's quite difficult to give the examination, because without knowing the background, how can you go and give this examination? What is this examination all about? Symbiosis Law Aptitude Test, which in short form we call it SLAT, is a common entrance test for admission to BA LLB and BBA LLB courses, which are offered by the Symbiosis Law Schools. In short form, Symbiosis Law Schools, we can call it SLS. Examination is conducted by the Symbiosis International University, that is SIU, in an online computer-based format. There are basically 4 participating law colleges for this entrance examination admission after that. It includes the Symbiosis Law School of Pune. It also includes the Symbiosis Law School of Noida. It includes the Symbiosis Law School of Hyderabad. It also includes the Symbiosis Law School of Nagpur. And all total, if I calculate the seats, it's coming to 1080. As I told you, the examination shall be computer-based test, so it would be online. Last day to apply for this entrance examination is on the 15th of June 2022, and the admit card would be given to all the candidates on the 22nd of June 2022. The exam shall be held on 3rd July 2022 from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Results will be out by July 12th. And there would be a personal interview, which would be like the dates would be announced separately by each law school to where you are getting admission. In order to be eligible for this entrance examination and to get the admission, you need to be eligible first, right? So what is the minimum eligibility criteria that is required to be fulfilled? The minimum educational qualification includes a class 12 pass or any equivalent examination should be passed. The minimum marks which is required in the qualifying examination is 45% marks in class 12 for the general category candidates and minimum 40% marks for the SC/ST category candidates. One good point about this entrance examination is that there is no age limit for appearing this SLAT entrance examination. Now this examination will be held in online mode, as I have told you, and the exam, the questions basically would be provided in English language only. And the test duration would be 1 hour, that's 60 minutes. And the type of questions would be MCQ based questions. Total number of questions would be 60 and maximum marks will also be 60. There is no negative marking in this entrance examination. Now the entrance examination syllabus is a bit huge, like from the general knowledge and current affairs, you are having questions from history, economics, geography, international bodies, current events of national and international importance. Then you have questions from sports, awards, honors, new appointments. From analytical reasoning, you have questions from elementary mathematics. Then algebra is there, profit and loss, percentage. You have time, distance and work. There's another section which is based on English portion. In English, you are getting questions based on vocabulary, antonyms and synonyms, then spelling correction is there. You have grammar, then tense, parts of speech, idioms and phrases based questions, analogies are there, one word substitution, sentence improvement and rearrangement type questions you will get. Then there would be spotting errors type questions, inappropriate usage of words based questions, spelling mistakes, as I have already told you once. There would be English comprehension also. Talking about the legal reasoning section, you are expected to answer questions from legal terms, then history of Indian constitution, then fundamental rights based questions, fundamental duties based questions, then DPSP. There would be questions about parliament, judiciary, executive, legislature. Then you will also get questions based on law of torts, then contracts law, IPC, CRPC. There are questions based on liability, then intellectual property rights, important acts and laws, then legal events and current scenario. From the logical reasoning section, you are expected to answer questions based on arguments and conclusions are there. Then sets and statements, then puzzles, then blood relation based questions, series, syllogism type questions. In each of these sections which I have mentioned about, each will have 12 marks in each of these sections. The number of questions that you're expected to answer from each of these sections is 12. Each section will have 12 marks. So total there would be 60 questions with 60 marks. So that was the discussion about this entrance examination. If you by chance want to prepare well for this entrance examination, which is going to be held soon, you can join the crash course facilities provided by our classes, that is crash course facilities by Saurav's classes. You will get the live class facilities, you will get recorded lectures portal access, which will be available to all the enrolled candidates 24/7. We are also providing you with mock test facilities, worksheets after every session. Then you will also get scholarship facilities. You will also get the solutions to the previous year's question papers. You will get the solutions to the unsolved papers and sample papers. You will get the study materials at your doorstep. So if you want to join our classes, especially for the crash course, you can definitely join that. And if you are preparing for other entrance examinations, for that also, if you want any kind of guidance and preparation and study materials, you can join our classes. So for joining, you can go over to the official website, or you can call us, whatever is possible for you. If you want to call us, you can go over to the description box below this video. You will get the contact details. You can call us at any time and we are going to clear all your doubts. You can ask about your queries if you have. And if you want to know more about our classes, you can definitely go over to Saurav's classes website, that is www.sauravsclasses.com, and there you will get the enrollment form. And if you want to fill it up there and get enrolled in our classes, you can also do that, join our classes. So that was all for today's class. We are going to meet once again in our next classes.